everyone. You want to read, but you are not able to start reading daily. You want to make reading a habit, but something happens, you are just not able to do it. So then what's the solution? So the solution actually lies in how you are approaching your problem. And actually it's not a problem, it's just a mindset. And let's start by changing our mindset and looking at a few key takeaways, a few points that could really help you start this great habit. So first thing that students tell me is that they don't like to read or they can't finish a book. Now I would say to that, nobody has asked you to finish a book. Just because you started a book and you did not like it, so you never picked up another book in your life. And just because your teachers or somebody in your family or friends had said that you must finish that book, and since you did not like it, you never picked up the other one. And that is something that we have all faced sometime or the other. So there is no shame in not finishing a book, or not finishing an article, or not finishing a reading material. You don't like the first 10 pages, you don't find it engaging, you read an article, just read 10 lines, you don't like it, please stop. No problems at all. What you can do is start by picking up stuff that you like. So you like mysteries, you like stories, you like horror, you like thrillers, you like games, you like sports. Pick up something that you like and start reading small things about it. And once you start getting engaged, then read similar things and a little bit something which was beyond your purview. So things like, so if you like sports, okay, then you can read the stories related to that particular sport, then related to something, say the leagues that they were participating in, the times that they were living in, those players, etc. So just giving you an example. Similarly, if you like fiction, if you like stories, if you like mystery, so pick up a book by Agatha Christie, you find it too daunting, okay, then you can pick up something by Jeffrey Archer, you can pick up something by Dan Brown. What you can do, sometimes people see a movie, they like the story so much they want to relive it. So what you can do is see a movie, you see Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown, and then read the book, you understand it better. Okay, so these are some things that can help you start your reading. And then together with it, how to continue that reading. Then somebody tells you, oh, it's a waste of time, you've picked up a book and it's a never ending thing, it's not finishing. So start by short stories. Now, short stories is a great way to start your reading. And there are innumerable short stories on the web. You actually don't need to go buy a book. But if you like to read it, you want to hold the book in your hand like I do, yeah, you can just pick up, go to a library. There's so many of them. They are cheap also. In fact, your college school might be having a library or the public library that's available, and pick up a book, just borrow a book from there. And once you start enjoying it, then you can do. Also, this schedule of reading. Now, I'll tell you, if you start enjoying a story, you'll not want to put the book down. And reading is so addictive that you want to do it again and again. So, I have actually done it myself and seen so many other people do this. So, what if you feel that you're forcing yourself to read? Then in that case, just tell yourself, okay, I'm just going to do it for 10 minutes. If I like it, I'll continue it for the next 10 minutes. Maybe I'll read for half an hour. If I don't like this topic or this book, I'll just keep it after 10 minutes. And you can't tell me that I don't find time for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, everybody can find time. You can start by reading short stories that I told you. It'll take hardly 20, 30, 40 minutes to finish off that story. Or you can start reading articles in magazines. That'll take 5-10 minutes. So start by short, manageable things that you can do. Keep a very short time frame and allow yourself to fail, allow yourself to escape. Escape as in, don't like it, keep it. Read something you like. Even if you have to keep it 10 times and pick up a new thing, there is no shame. Only you know about it, and that's absolutely fine. So that is another thing. Then how to find the sources. So if you start asking people, so go to like-minded people who like stuff related to you, or you can just Google, but then Google actually provides a plethora of information which you could get lost in. So then pick up something tried and tested and pick it up and start reading, and I believe you'll find that interesting. So some story which you've heard about, you like the storyline, read it. Some topic that you like, read about that. So slowly and steadily, you will see that you'll start looking forward to that reading time, and reward your something, get your cup of tea or coffee, or if you are into soda, cold drinks, etc. Okay, get a Coke or Pepsi. Keep it with, sip it and enjoy your reading. Or if you don't like to drink something, get a snack, keep munching on it. And I know you might put on weight, but then there are healthier options also. So start with that. And I have started that. I started that as a child. I've never looked back up till now. I do a little less reading than I want to, due to various reasons. But you start, and let's see, I'll also start. And then in the channel, I'll keep sharing about what I have read lately. And you can also keep putting your comments, what you read about, and we'll make a great team. So, happy reading.